Today on the Mr. Pauline channel, 2015 Infiniti QX-70 gets an AC kit installation. The vehicle originally debuted in 2003 and including both FX and QX-70 phases. Now here's Mr. Pauline.
All right, so this is the 2015 Infiniti QX-70, and we're doing the AC compressor kit on it. And if you didn't know where the low side valve was, to keep you looking all day, open up your brake deal there, and it's right here. I've already got the Freon taken out and stuff, so we are ready to get started. All right. Just pull that belt out of the way. Now look at that. It does not want to spin. Definitely need to be replaced. So I'm looking around here and I'm thinking, best thing, take this box off. Let's get it out of the way, because you'll have so much more room, and life is a lot easier if you just take the time and take that extra stuff off. Less headache. You may think it takes longer to get it done, but really it's actually faster. So, grab your 10. Remember where you put everything? And it should just lift up. Oh, yeah, it should lift up and then loosen that. Might have to take it off. Let's see. Nah, this one's in good shape. Okay, should just pull right up if we're lucky. And it does. Look at that. Barely a minute to give you all this extra room. I mean, look. Okay. Next thing's next. Grab that. We'll take that hose off. Take off this hose here, and then we'll have room to get to the compressor, and this little bad boy's got to come off. Okay, let's do it. Don't know if they're 8 or 10s, but they look like they're 8. No, they're 10s. Making sure. Okay, let's try it without. Nice. Don't drop nothing. Okay. We'll leave it there for now. Let's get to this one there. And I'm going to get a couple more longer extensions. Okay, so we got this going on here. Let's put it on. I got my little light here. My hand might fit in there, so I'm going to try. Let's see if my hand will fit in there. Oh, barely fits. I can get it though. Check this out. Sometimes you can use a little magnet that will help you. Like that. Okay. Now you can probably pull these things out of the way. This one first. Okay, we got that one. Let me get this one. Bang. So just move those down out of the way. Now this is my headaches right here. Pulling off those bad boys. fingertip killers. So we gotta get this off. Then we have a bolt here. I'm sure there's one straight underneath, yes. And there's one, right here in the back. So there might just be 3. We shall find out. Okay, so here's the plug for the compressor. I just pulled it up. Here's the button. Just press your screwdriver or whatever you got and just pull it out. Yeah, see? Next, we are ready to loosen up the compressor. We do got to take this one off. Just press and pull. Press and pull. See how easy that was? Okay, light fell down. Don't forget the light fell down. You can leave it in the car if you forget about it. I have. These look like 12 or 13s. Let's figure that out. Okay. Definitely not 13s. 12 was my first guess. Alright. So I'm just going to loosen this one. Bottom one, just go straight down. You can feel right for it. You don't have to look. You don't have to necessarily see it. Okay, now extension for this back one. I don't think we need a big one. Let's go find a smaller one. Okay, there's the back one. Break out this tool here. Let me go for the bottom one first. See that? And the last one. Look at that. And the compressor is off. Okay, so now I'm going to get these wires out the way and pull this guy out just like that. Okay. So I got 4 ounces of oil in there. I'm gonna button it back up. Finally got the new compressor in and I am ready to install it. So I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna set it on here because I need something to help me. Alright. So I'm just gonna set it on there like so. Yeah, that definitely helps. Just gotta line it up now. All right. We'll get the next one in. Just like that. And now, this bad boy. Get that one started by hand a little bit. So I can wiggle this. Got enough room to use both hands. That's nice. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that one doesn't work. You gotta do that one differently. Okay. Okay, so that one's tight. That one's tight. And that one's tight. Okay, so now we got all three bolts tightened up. Get these wires out. I think I'm going to start with the big one first. Stick that bad boy back in there. Nice. And then we have the other one, which is right here. There you go. Get it in there. Okay, I'm going to use the new ones, of course. Nice, got it. Down here. Okay, got it started. I should have plugged these in first, I guess. Definitely should have plugged those in first. So it goes outward like that. And then just plug it in. Okay, so everything's plugged in. Now it's got to tighten up. All I got to do is vacuum it and fill it up. Put this thing back in there. Plug this bad boy back in there. Vacuum, recharge, and this vehicle's ready. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. It was definitely fun to do this vehicle, especially when you look online and you don't see any of these. So this will be one of them that'll be on YouTube for everybody to watch, because you can do it too. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.